most dangerous animal. There are no animals that are not attacked by tigers. Obviously, it is very difficult to kill the tiger, but things change when these animals become scarce as tigers are forced to cross boundaries in their search for a meal, which may or may not work in their favor. They may not be the strongest, but they are definitely up there. Because of this reason, not many animals are powerful or tactful enough to take down a tiger. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 animals that can kill a tiger easily. Number 5. Brown bears.
Are you kidding me?
It's easy to see why brown bears would be able to kill tigers due to their size, strength and power. Large bears also may engage tigers and try to steal their food. If there is any animal that is good at living the solo life, it has to be the bear. In February 2010, during a routine checkup, a tiger named Dana was missing for 6 days. Later, tiger project specialists were able to locate the tiger in the jungle. They found that the 1.5-year-old tiger had been killed and eaten by a bear. 44 recorded encounters between the two predators, 20 resulted in confrontations. In 50% of those, the bear were killed. In 27%, the tiger were killed. And cases ended with both animals surviving and parting ways. Some bears emerging from hibernation seek out tigers in order to steal their kills. This shows that if a bear feels threatened, it won't hesitate to defend itself. Number 4. Water buffalo. It's no secret that water buffaloes are aggressive beasts that won't hesitate to change anything they perceive as threats. In this video, a tiger was put to fight against a buffalo. A tiger's strategy is always to make good use of the first chance. The first attack is everything. This tiger tried to attack the buffalo from its shoulders, but before he could do anything, this buffalo threw him to the ground, and before the tiger do something, this buffalo slammed the tiger against the wall not once but several times. By the time the buffalo was done with him, the poor tiger could not defend himself. Tigers like to ambush these guys as they can be a handful. When facing them in a head-on conflict and when the ambush goes wrong, let's just say things don't often go in favor of the buffalo. Number 3. Gaur. The gaur, also known as the Indian bison, is a bovine native to South and Southeast Asia. The global population was estimated at a maximum of 21,000 mature individuals in 2016. It is also the largest wild cattle in the world. It is a strong and massively built bovine with a high convex ridge on the forehead between the horns. They look like water buffaloes, but they are far much worse than the water buffaloes. Due to their size and power, gaur have few natural predators besides humans. Gaurs are capable of chasing off and killing tigers in self-defense. An old tigress in Navagaon Naxira Tiger Reserve appears to have died after being wounded by a gaur. In 1934, it had already been determined that gaurs are powerful enough to kill a tiger. Number 2. Asian elephant. I think this animal needs zero explanation, being so much bigger than the tiger, having a powerful trunk, and if you are a male having tusks comes with some perks. Elephants have nearly no predators as adults, but the rare time a tiger picks a fight with one boy is it in for a scare. The tiger is too scared to attack it. I want to know who would gladly want to challenge the world's largest land animal when their tusks are strong enough to dig up roots and take barks of trees. In 1904, when a tiger was captured by King Onam's hunter and was set to fight a female elephant, tiger took the first shoot and attacked the elephant. Tiger decided to attack the elephant from its left leg. The elephant was so angered that she kicked the tiger and sent them flying. The tiger landed on the foot of the wall and did not move a muscle. Yes, it was dead. Number 1. Saltwater crocodile.
Oh my gosh!
Tigers love to swim, and you know what else likes to swim? You guessed it right, crocodiles. The crocodile is the king of the deep waters and it will not hesitate to attack any prey or any animal. They have a large wide mouth, sharp teeth and a superior bite force that could potentially turn any animal both big and small into a meal within a blink of an eye. Crocodiles are the dominant predators in the water, and once it gets a hold of a tiger, the cat is pretty much doomed. A bite of a crocodile and the tiger will be dead sooner or later. After all, the tiger may be the king of the jungle, but the crocodile is the king of water. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.